अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। आज मेरा टॉपिक है व्हाट इज़ बिजनेस साइकिल। अ बिजनेस साइकिल इज़ अ साइकिल ऑफ फ्लक्चुएशन इन द ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट GDP अराउंड इट्स लॉन्ग टर्म नेचुरल ग्रोथ रेट. It explains the expansion and contractions in economic activity that an economy experiences over time. Now you see the diagram in the picture. A business cycle is completed when it goes through a single boom and a single contractions in sequence. The time period to complete this sequence is called the length of the business cycle. A boom is characterized by a period of rapid economic growth, whereas a period of relatively stagnant economic growth is recession. They are measured in terms of growth of the real GDP, which is inflation adjusted. Now the stages of the business cycle. Stages of the business cycle in the above diagram. In the previous diagram, the straight line is the middle is the steady growth line. The business cycle moves about the line. Below is more detailed description of each stage in the business cycle. Number 1 is expansion. The first stage in the business cycle is expansion. In this stage, there is an increase in positive economic indicators such as employment, income, output, wages, profit, demand, and supply of goods and services. Debtors are generally paying their debt on time. The velocity of indicators such as employment, income, output, wages, profit, demand, and supply of goods and services. Debtors are generally paying their debt on time. The velocity of money supply is high and investment is high. This process continues as long as economic conditions are favorable for expansion. Indicators are most important in economic activity. Indicators are the source to grow or expansion of the business. Number 2, peak. The economy then reach a saturation point or a peak point, which is the second stage of the business cycle. The maximum limit of growth is attained. The economic indicators do not grow further and are at their highest. Prices are their peak. This stage marks the reversal point in the trend of economic growth. Consumer tends to restructure their budget at this point. Number 3, recession point. The recession is the state that follows the peak phases. The demand for goods and services start declining rapidly and steadily in this phase. Producers do not notice the decrease in demand. Instantly and go on producing, which creates a situation of excess supply in the market. This point creates the excess space. Price tends to fall. All positive economic indicators such as income, output, wages, etc. consequently start to fall. This is the falling point of business cycle. Now discuss the fourth, depression. There is a commensurate rise in unemployment. The growth in the economy continues to decline as this falls below the steady growth line. The stage is called depression point. Number 5 है throw. In the depression state, the economy growth rate becomes negative. There is further decline until the prices of factors as well as the demand and supply of goods and services reach their lowest point. The economy eventually reached the throw. It is the negative saturation point of economy. It is a bad condition of business cycle. It is a loss for the producer. Now the sixth, recovery. After this stage, the economy comes to the stage of recovery. In this phase, there is turn around from the throw and economy start recovering from the negative growth rate. Demand start to pick up due to the lowest price and consequently supply start reaching to. The economy develops a positive attitude towards investment and employment, and production start increasing. Employment begins to rise and due to accumulated cash balance with the bankers lendings also show positive signals. Here the business are recovered in this stage. This is the last stage and start new stage. These are the phases or steps in the business cycle. These step has a basic point. Thank you.